Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to enter your raffle tickets into Beanstack for our grand prize drawing. So first we have the landing page here. We can see the challenges I'm in. If you go up to your name at the top, it'll show you the other readers. So I made an account for my cat, Bodhi, so we're going to enter tickets under Bodhi's name. So you click it up here. Then you want to select the challenge, so you're going to click that Tails and Tails banner. And here we have ticket drawings. You can click that tab. Here you can see all the fun prizes we have. Bodhi really likes these squishy plush toys, so we're going to enter his ticket there. And that's all it is. And then you can also click over to a different reader. So let's go to my account. So we're going to click Tails and Tails again, the adult challenge. Again, we have that ticket drawings tab. I have 26 tickets. So I'm going to enter one into the sloth puzzle. And let's say I really wanted something else. Got some fun stuff for adults this summer. And let's say I really want this llama coin purse. So I'm going to add a bunch of tickets in there. And so you can do whatever you'd like as far as distributing your tickets among all the prizes you like. And that's it. That's all it is. So next I'm going to show you how to do it on the mobile app because it's a little different. So this is what it's going to look like on the app. I have my picture there. It might be your initials, the little bubble in the corner. So you click that to choose your reader. We scroll down, click the Tails and Tails challenge. And at the bottom, we have this icon that says drawings with a little ticket. And again, we click the squishy plush, we add our tickets, and that's all you do. You can also remove tickets. So if you entered for something and you changed your mind, you can take those tickets away and put it somewhere else. Our teen prizes are also really awesome. You can see them here. And don't forget, you need to enter your tickets by Friday. Friday is the last day that you can enter tickets for the drawings. And we'll be calling our winners next week.